Hello friends, welcome and good morning. So today I'm excited to finally be doing a coffee and cocoa bar again. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I did a little bit last year, but it was just a small space and I kind of included it with like all of our other kitchen decor. But for this year, we're actually planning a cookie decorating party, and I thought it would be the perfect time to just set up a coffee and cocoa bar. Anyway, let me know down below, are you more of a coffee person or a tea or hot cocoa person? What do you like drinking in the winter time? And will you be making any hot cocoa, coffee bar setup? Maybe you already have, since we're already in December now, but let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to share this box with you guys. So I found this in I guess it was kind of where they have a lot of little like craft organization, that aisle of all the little boxes, bins, organizers in Michael's. It was not on sale, but I was able to use a coupon on it. Pretty cute for organizing our hot cocoa station in here. And then I think I'm going to probably use this maybe under the bathroom sink or something like that, maybe. And I think it would make like a good maybe makeup organizer, or maybe for craft supplies. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this little glass from Dollar Tree as a riser. Another thing I picked up was this preserved moss. And it reminds me of all the Spanish moss that's here in the South. So I kind of felt like these red berries with whatever type of greenery fern this is, just reminds me a little bit of the palm branches. And I don't know, I'm kind of going for a little bit of kind of like a tropical Christmas, I guess. We'll see how it all comes together. I didn't really realize how messy this would be. I mean, I guess I knew, but it's okay. I think we're gonna get it neat by the time we get it all in here, and I think it's gonna be cute. And I'm not putting food in here, or I am putting food, but it'll be like in packages, so no food will be coming in direct contact with this moss either. But you could definitely just get some moss from outside.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you.
This mug is from Target last year. I believe they still carry it, but I'm thinking of just using it right out here as a cute little decoration. So I was thinking that it might be nice to do like an instant coffee out here. If we were to put out this nice 100% Colombian instant coffee, could we make this fit our, I mean, it actually kind of fits with the red and green. We probably could just put it just like that. I was thinking of just wrapping this label with some paper, like some pretty Christmas paper, but let me know what you guys think. So I just cut a piece of scrapbook paper to fit around the label on this instant coffee jar, and then created some simple little labels just using a little label maker. If you guys have a Cricut, that would totally work, or even Dollar Tree has some simple labels that you could write on, or even just type something out on your computer and print off a piece, like a little typed up label, and you could tape that on. So there's a lot of options. Even something really simple like I made this peppermint Oreo JoJo's. These are the Trader Joe's peppermint Oreos, and I just made this little tag on a Merry Christmas gift tag. Now, I know this would probably look a little bit better if I had red and green kisses here, but I just bought the dark chocolate ones, and I was planning to make my dark chocolate cherry kiss cookies, and of course there'll be sprinkles. I'm just gonna leave the whipped cream in the refrigerator until the very last minute, just to keep that very cold and fresh. So I'm just taking a quick look at this and thinking maybe I should put this jar here that has some of the peppermint chocolates, the Andes mints in here. I could put that one in the front and then add the sprinkles like in the tiered tray, because I think they would fit under here. I could just do that. I feel like that makes better use of the space, but then again, I'm thinking, like, practically speaking for kids, maybe I don't want this glass jar here. So it'll just make it easier for the kids to help themselves, and I'm sure that the kids will want the sprinkles, so maybe I'm better off putting the sprinkles out here, and then I could just leave this glass jar over here on the side, or maybe I should skip it altogether, you know what I mean? Maybe it's just not the best thing to put out, or do like this one with the plastic. I feel like the kids might enjoy seeing this little Santa cup. I have a couple other options. So this one's really pretty. I love this one. This is one I got this year. It's probably one of my favorites, but honestly, it's a little large for putting the spoons in. I want something with a narrower top. So even the Santa one is kind of a wide mouth on it. So maybe this little gingerbread boy would be cuter. Since it is a cookie party, that might be really cute. This one I picked up in Goodwill, and I thought this was very cute. Or not Goodwill, but a different thrift store. Yeah, maybe we go with the little gingerbread. Again, I'd like to do it somewhere easy for the kids to access, but I know I have so many things out here right now. So here is how our coffee and cocoa bar is looking, and if you guys are going to leave this out long term, you'd want to get some jars with lids for your marshmallows for sure. So up here in the cabinet, we have some other coffee options, and I have extra cups if we need them. They came in a beautiful set. So I will see if I can put the link for that. If you guys are going to be hosting holiday parties, I think that it's just a really beautiful set of cups. They also come with the travel lids, so our guests can take them to go. Plus, I feel like it's really good with kids. It just makes it a little bit easier having the lids for them. Don't forget some candy canes, some sprinkles, some chocolate additions, marshmallows. Comment down below. Let me know what items I forgot to add to this hot cocoa coffee bar station. Let me know what you would have added. I could do some crushed peppermint. I have some, but let me know again, what did I forget on here? What would you have added or done differently? I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys soon in a new video.